Hello, thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Today we are making a very healthy dish called fool. And I'm going to show you what our ingredients are. I have here 1 can of large fava beans. You can find this at the Middle Eastern store. And I also have 1 can of chickpeas or garbanzo beans. I have 3 lemons and we're going to juice those up, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 bunch of parsley diced, and about 4 tomatoes diced up. We're going to need salt and olive oil. Now this is traditionally served with pita bread. You can definitely eat it with a fork or a spoon. Just drizzle olive oil on it and then enjoy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this healthy and easy recipe. Please subscribe for more videos.